Electric skateboards have taken off as one of the most exciting ways to commute and have fun. Whether you're cruising to work, exploring the city, or carving along trails, the demand for high-performance electric skateboards continues to rise. This guide evaluates models based on motor power.
List number 1. Meepo Campus V5 Series Envy Electric Skateboard with Remote. The Meepo Campus V5 Series Envy is a compact yet powerful electric skateboard designed for urban commuters and college riders. It features a 500-watt motor that offers speeds up to 18 miles per hour and a smooth, responsive acceleration profile. The lightweight deck and flexible maplewood construction make it easy to carry and control even at higher speeds. One of the best aspects of the Campus V5 is its reliable regenerative braking system, ensuring safe stopping power while also preserving battery life. Its wireless remote is intuitive, giving precise throttle and brake control. The board charges in under 2 hours and provides around 11 miles of range on a single charge, ideal for short city rides. Whether you're a beginner learning to balance or an experienced rider who wants a portable board for everyday commutes, the Meepo Campus V5 delivers an excellent blend of affordability, performance, and durability.
List number 2. DNA Skate M8 Electric Skateboard with Remote. The DNA Skate M8 stands out for its bold design and solid construction, built to handle both smooth pavement and light hills. Powered by dual-hub motors, it reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour while maintaining stability and control. The deck combines bamboo and fiberglass materials, offering both strength and flexibility, which enhances ride comfort. The M8's ergonomic remote allows smooth acceleration and braking, featuring multiple speed modes suited for beginners to advanced riders. Its 4,000 mAh battery delivers up to 12 miles of range, and quick recharging ensures minimal downtime. LED indicators on the board and remote provide clear feedback on speed and battery levels. What really makes the DNA Skate M8 shine is its balance between power and control. It's designed for those who crave a fast yet stable ride, perfect for commuters who want to upgrade from a basic board to a more dynamic, performance-oriented option.
List number 3. VMAX Mini 2/2S Electric Skateboard with Remote. Compact, stylish, and fast, the VMAX Mini 2/2S is the ideal choice for riders seeking power in a portable design. Despite its smaller size, this board is no toy. Its dual 450-watt hub motors propel it up to 25 miles per hour, while the 10-mile range ensures reliable city cruising. The durable 7-layer maple deck gives a firm yet flexible ride, absorbing road vibrations effectively. The included remote control is easy to use, featuring multiple ride modes for speed adjustment. Riders can switch between eco, medium, and sport settings, depending on terrain and skill level. The braking is smooth and consistent, providing confidence even on downhill rides. Weighing under 18 pounds, the VMAX Mini 2/2S fits easily under desks or in backpacks. It's perfect for daily commuters, students, or casual riders who want a lightweight electric skateboard without compromising speed and build quality. Overall, it's a compact powerhouse with premium performance.
List number 4. Meepo Ampboard Electric Skateboard. Ultra lightweight. The Meepo Ampboard represents the next step in lightweight, efficient e-skateboarding. Designed for portability, this board weighs less than 15 pounds, yet still packs impressive torque and top speeds of 17 miles per hour. The deck's sleek, durable build and low-profile design make it perfect for travel or quick urban rides. The brushless motor system ensures quiet operation and smooth acceleration, while the Eco mode helps conserve battery life during longer commutes. Riders will appreciate the intuitive wireless remote that provides precise control over acceleration and braking. With a range of up to 10 miles per charge, it's ideal for city navigation or last-mile transportation. What truly sets the AMP board apart is its portability and reliability. You can easily carry it on public transport or tuck it under your arm when not riding. For those who prioritize lightweight convenience without sacrificing performance, the Meepo AMP board is a standout option.
List number 5. Blitzart 38-inch Hurricane Electric Longboard Electronic. The Blitzart Hurricane combines the stability of a longboard with the thrill of electric propulsion. Its 350W hub motor provides a top speed of around 19 miles per hour, while the 36-volt lithium-ion battery delivers up to 10 miles per charge. The deck, constructed from maple wood and bamboo, offers excellent flex and strength for a smooth, shock-absorbing ride. The board's wireless remote features ergonomic controls, letting riders smoothly accelerate, brake, and switch between beginner or advanced modes. Its 38-inch length ensures exceptional balance and comfort during long rides, making it ideal for both cruising and commuting. The Blitzart Hurricane excels in ride comfort, range, and build quality. It's especially suited for taller riders or anyone seeking a classic longboard feel with the added boost of electric power. For the price, it's one of the most reliable and durable electric longboards in its category.